113 Spruce Valley Drive, September 30th, 2025. Interior sewer line inspection. Starting at the bottom of the main stack, pulling back to the house trap, located outside in the front yard.